We're at Newport Wetlands Nature Reserve. It's a little pocket of an oasis in quite a busy area, so Newport's only a few miles away. When the wind's rustling through the reeds, it's just a really peaceful and quiet place to come. We have lots of self-led trails that we put out and encourage people to come and find out a bit more about all the special wildlife that's here on the reserve. The Wales Coast Path gives you the time and space to just relax, forget about the day-to-day stresses in life. It gives you time to appreciate the nature around you and how important that is for our physical well-being as well as our mental well-being. Also considering the important things that nature reserves give us for our everyday life. They help keep our water clean, our air clean, and they're just such special places.